Hey friends, if you're unable to pin apps to taskbar in Windows, then please watch this video. So there are a few apps in which you cannot pin it to the taskbar, that is just normal. But here's one thing that you can do. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Task Manager. Let it load and then right click on Windows Explorer and then select Restart. If this doesn't help, then right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and then click on Check for Updates. You know what? One may say that updating the system is not necessary, but I'll tell you my own personal take on this one. Especially if you just installed your system recently. If all updates are not installed, then you will face some of the other weird issue on your computer. And lastly, just right click on the Start button, select Shutdown or Sign Out, and then select Restart. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.